Once again, most welcome students to the online video class. Today, I will teach you chapter 13 from your GK subjects. The name of the chapter is Proud Indians. The name of the chapter is Proud Indians. Look at these pictures. Look at these pictures and identify the people in them and write their names. First picture is of Mahatma Gandhi ji. He was a great man. He had gone to jail many times for the freedom of the country. Okay. Second picture is of Chandrasekhar Azad. Second picture is of Chandrasekhar Azad. Okay. He was an Indian revolutionary. He popularly known as by his self-taken name Azad. His parents' name was Sitaram Tiwari and Jagran Devi. And third picture is of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian nationalist whose defiant patriotism made him a hero in India. He was born 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack. Number 4. Fourth picture is of Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian independence activist. Subsequently, the first Prime Minister of India, as well as central figure in Indian politics, both before and after independence. He was born 14th November 1889. His spouse name was Kamala Nehru. Okay, it's clear? And number 5th, the 5th picture is of Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist and poet. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from colonial rule. Naidu's work as a poet earned her the sobriquet Nightingale of India by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Number sixth picture is of Captain Lakshmi Sehgal. Lakshmi Sehgal was a revolutionary of the Indian independence movement, an officer of Indian National Army and the Minister of Women's Affairs in the Azad Hind. She was born 24 October 1914 in Malabar district. Her parents was Ammu Swaminathan and Subrama Swaminathan. Number 7th picture is of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was an Indian nationalist, teacher, and an independence activist. Tilak was the first leader of the Indian independence movement. The British colonial authorities called him the father of the Indian unrest. Okay. Number 8. The 8th picture is of Bhagat Singh. Look at this picture. Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was an Indian socialist revolutionary whose two acts of dramatic violence against the British in India. Okay. And number 9th picture is of Lakshmi, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Okay. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi. She was an Indian queen of the Maratha princely state of Jhansi. In North India, currently present in Jhansi district in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, she was one of the leading figures of the Indian Rebellion of 1857 and became a symbol of resistance to the British Raj for Indian nationalists. Okay, it's clear. This picture, look at these pictures and identify the people in them and write their names. Okay, it's clear. And I repeat again, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule. Understood? I think you will have understood this lesson clearly. Okay, take care of yourself, and that's it. Thank you.